Hi everyone, today we will talk about the true cost of anticipatory bail in India. We will explain it in very simple words. No confusing legal language, just clear, easy ideas. First, let's remind ourselves what anticipatory bail means. Anticipatory bail is a legal order. It lets a person get bail before arrest. This is possible when someone fears arrest in a non bailable offense. It helps protect your freedom while a case is ongoing. Getting anticipatory bail is not free. Many people think it only means a court order, but in real life it involves many costs. Some are obvious, some are hidden. If you are planning for it, you must know about all possible expenses. The main costs of anticipatory bail include legal fees and consultation charges, additional court fees and expenses, travel and accommodation costs, potential loss of income. We will explain each one clearly. First, let's talk about legal fees and consultation charges. Usually, you consult a criminal lawyer before filing anticipatory bail. Lawyers charge for their time and advice. This is called a consultation fee. It can be around 1000 rupees to 5000 for a first meeting. Next comes the lawyer's fee. This is the main cost. A lawyer's fee for anticipatory bail can vary a lot. It depends on how complicated your case is. It also depends on the lawyer's experience and reputation. In many cases, it can range from about 25,000 rupees to 2 lakhs or more. More complex cases or cases in High Court or Supreme Court could cost more. Very serious charges or cases that need extra work take extra money. Why does legal expertise matter? Because anticipatory bail is a special legal remedy. You must write the petition correctly. You must explain why you fear arrest. A well-drafted petition has better chance of acceptance. Experienced lawyers charge more, but they can give better protection and help avoid mistakes. Second, you have additional court fees and expenses. These are costs set by the court. When you file an application for anticipatory bail, you must pay a filing fee. The amount can vary by court and region. There are also documentation costs, like fees for stamps, paperwork, and other charges. There can also be other costs, like paying someone to help with paperwork or getting certified copies of documents. Sometimes you may pay small fees at the police station for copies of FUS or bail bonds. These small costs add up. Third, you may have travel and accommodation expenses. If your case is in a court far from your home, you must travel there. Sometimes bail hearings happen in high court cities. You might also need to come again for more hearings. This means transport costs, hotel stays, food expenses, all add money. If the court delays or there are adjournments, your stay gets longer. That means more hotel or food costs. This can be a big expense if you live far away. So travel costs may be small or very high, depending on your situation. Fourth, potential loss of income. This is not a direct fee, but it matters a lot. If you are involved in legal battles, you may miss work. You might spend days in court. If your job is daily wage or self-employed, this can mean lost earnings. This loss of income is a hidden cost. Also, if you are worried about arrest, you may avoid travel to work. Your reputation may get affected. Even if you win bail, employers may view legal issues differently. This is another hidden cost that many people do not think about before applying for anticipatory bail. The cost of anticipatory bail is not the same everywhere. In big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, or Chennai, lawyer fees can be higher. In smaller towns or cities, fees can be lower. Also, if you file in a high court instead of a sessions court, the fees may be higher. So, where your case is filed also changes the cost. For example, if anticipatory bail is filed in a high court, lawyers may charge higher fees. This is because high court matters often have more legal arguments. The reputation and experience of the lawyer also matter. A senior lawyer usually charges more than a junior lawyer. This increases the total cost. Another point, different types of bail can affect cost. There are anticipatory bail applications, interim bail, or notice bail. Some are simpler, some require more work. More complex work means higher costs. In some cases, a public prosecutor may also be involved. The public prosecutor is the lawyer who represents the government or the complainant in court. There can be costs or additional participation related to this too. These are usually small but contribute to the total expenses. So, how should you plan for these costs? First, talk to your lawyer and get a clear estimate. Ask about all possible expenses, not just lawyer's fees. Ask about travel, documentation, filing fees, and unseen costs. This helps you prepare without surprises. A good lawyer will guide you through the process. They know what documents you need. They can help avoid mistakes that delay your bail application. This can save time and money. Let's recap. Anticipatory bail helps protect you before arrest. Costs include lawyers' fees, court fees, travel, and lost income. Fees vary by city, court, and complexity of the case. Planning ahead helps avoid surprises. It's an investment in your freedom and peace of mind. Thank you for watching. If you want more easy legal explainers like this, let us know. We'll make law simple for you.